Ever pondered why some people seem to age more gracefully than others? The secret might just lie in the realm of health and wellness. In the hustle and bustle of contemporary life, it's easy to overlook the importance of maintaining a balanced lifestyle. However, health and wellness play a critical role in our everyday lives, influencing everything from our mood to our longevity. Diving deep into the topic, health and wellness are not just about the absence of illness. They encompass physical well-being, mental stability, and emotional harmony. They are the keys to a vibrant, fulfilling life, and they all start with conscious, deliberate choices. Just think of your body as a finely tuned machine. It needs the right fuel and regular maintenance to perform optimally. This fuel comes in the form of a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Remember, what you eat directly impacts your physical health, energy levels, and even mental clarity. But fuel isn't enough. The machine also needs regular maintenance. This is where physical activity comes in. Regular exercise, whether it's brisk walking, swimming, or weightlifting, helps keep the heart healthy, the muscles strong, and the mind sharp. It's like oiling your machine to keep it running smoothly and efficiently. Health and wellness also involve taking care of the mind. Stress, anxiety, and depression can all take a toll on our mental well-being. Therefore, it's crucial to incorporate stress management techniques into our lives, such as meditation, deep breathing, or even just taking time out to relax and unwind. But what about emotional wellness? It's just as important as physical and mental health, yet it's often overlooked. Emotional wellness involves understanding and managing your feelings, maintaining positive relationships, and practicing self-care. It's about creating a balance that allows you to enjoy life while handling its challenges. To summarize, health and wellness are holistic concepts that encompass physical, mental, and emotional well-being. They involve eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, and nurturing emotional health. Remember, health is not a destination but a journey of continuous, lifelong learning and growth. It's about making small, manageable changes in your daily routine that add up to a healthier, happier you. So here's a question to leave you with. How will you prioritize your health and wellness today?